Welcome to Woolly Kames countryside. Known for its stunning landscape and tranquil lifestyle, we are only a 10-minute drive from the center of Villamoura. Today I'm introducing you to a one-of-a-kind country villa, boasting stunning coastline views and effortlessly blending the country charm with the modern convenience. I'm Sam from Mapro and Frank. Let me show you around. This property comprises of 5 bedrooms and 6 bathrooms. On the ground floor, the villa features a modern living room completed with a fireplace. Adjacent to the living room is a dining room, followed by a well-equipped kitchen with an ample counter and utility space. The ground floor also boasts 2 generously sized bedroom suites. My favorite feature is this stunning 17-meter infinity pool with the unforgettable views over the coastline. With ample sunbathing areas, a cascading water feature, lounging spots and a designated barbecue area, this is an ideally backdrop for outdoor leisure activities. Upstairs, there's an expansive main bedroom featuring a spacious walk-in closet and a bathtub, perfect for unwinding. An additional bedroom suite on this level ensures ample space and privacy. For more information on this one-of-a-kind property, please check our website with reference 3943 or contact us directly. Thank you for watching.